Fire prevention and fire control. Knowledge of classes and chemistry of fire. Knowledge of classes and chemistry of fire. Chemistry of fire. Fire is a result of a rapid chemical reaction between a combustible substance, known as fuel, and oxygen in the presence of an ignition source, known as heat. Reactions that involve oxygen and other elements is called an oxidation reaction, and the word combustion is used to refer to an oxidation reaction between fuel and oxygen aided by an ignition source called heat generating light, heat, gases, and soot. The first requirements needed to be present for combustion to occur are fuel and oxygen. The oxygen in the reaction usually comes from the surrounding air. The next requirement for combustion is an initiating energy source or source of ignition like a spark, a flame, or even a very hot object. The ignition source must provide enough energy to start the chemical reaction. Finally, a chain reaction that continuously fuels itself, must occur between the fuel and oxygen for the combustion reaction to take place. There are three requirements for starting and maintaining a fire. Fuel. Wood, paper, oil, textiles, flammable gases, etc. Oxidant. Usually oxygen from the air, but may also be a chemical in contact with the fuel. Heat. The ignition source temperature must be greater than the ignition temperature of the fuel, that is combustible material. Classification of fires. Class A involving solids, usually organic. Wood, paper, textiles, hay, grain, plastics, sugar, coal, leather, etc. come under this class. Class B involving flammable liquids or liquefiable solids. Petrol, lube oils, kerosene, turpentine, wax, varnish, paint, alcohols, acetone, organic solvents, etc. come under this class. Class C involving flammable gases. CNG, methane, propane, butane, LPG, hydrogen comes under this class. Class D involving combustible metals, sodium, magnesium, lithium, aluminum. Class E electrical fires due to energized electrical circuits. Class F, cooking oils and fats.